Mr. Prime Minister, Your Excellency, Mr. Ambassador, honorable guests from Fiji. First of all, please allow me on behalf of Huawei Technologies to extend our warm welcome. And also, I would like to take this opportunity to express our sincere thanks to the Fiji government for your long-term support and trust. And Huawei actually we started our business in Fiji since the year 2005, so almost 8 years. So just now I will say a few words about our company. And Huawei Technologies is a private company, and its characteristics is private and high. And it was established in 1987, so almost 26 years. But now Huawei grows very fast. Now we have, by the end of last year, we have 150,000 employees, and almost 45% of these employees, about 70,000 employees, are engaged in research and development. So around the world, we have 16 research and development centers, and also 26 innovation centers, and 45 training centers around the world. And last year, our revenue reached $35.4 billion, and the net profit is $2.5 billion. And Huawei also now ranks number 2 in ICT manufacture fields, and also a member of Fortune 500 companies. We rank number 351. And in China, also we're number 1. And just now, Ambassador asked me, last year we invested $4.6 billion in research and development. So we always keep at the forefront of all the technologies. And so I think anyway, we would like to make more contributions to the ICT development in Fiji. And I particularly express our thanks and gratitude to Your Excellency Mr. Prime Minister for your efforts in pushing ICT development in Fiji. And particularly early last year, I think your government issued the national broadband policy. And as I know that this policy already has great enhanced Fiji public trust. I believe along with national broadband network establishments, and this project I think definitely will promote the growth of economic development in Fiji. According to the statistics in the United States nations, if 10% increase in broadband penetration, that will make contribution to the GDP 1.5 growth. And also, I think this NBN also will generate more job opportunities and bridge digital divide. And the most important, I think, will increase competitiveness in South Pacific other countries, and continue to keep Fiji in a very good position in the ICT level. So, I think it's time for you perhaps to make decision, I think, to undertake this project. And Huawei is ready, and also we are looking forward to cooperation with Fiji government, and we would like to make more contributions to the ICT development in Fiji. And particularly, I think we will already decide to bring our latest technology to ICT fields in Fiji, and also would like to make more efforts in training of local ICT talents. So anyway, I think we are determined for, I think, to make more contribution to the ICT development in Fiji, to make more contribution to the Fiji economic development. But anyway, I think Your Excellency, your support is essential. Thank you very much.